Okay, once again, very warm, healthy, cheerful, prosperous morning to one and all who is going to be join my class for the session of Vikash Vidyalaya, and it is meant for the YouTube channel and Facebook media or other website of Vikash Vidyalaya. So today I am going to discuss the topic of a letter to God narrated by G.L. Futons of class 10. And this very story is totally based on a strong belief of the narrator, or we can say the character, which is known as Lencho on God. So here we discuss the summary, and you can find that the story A Letter to God by G.L. Futons depicts unwavering faith, means unshaken faith of a farmer in a God. It begins, means the story begins with a farmer named Lencho expecting for a rain shower to nourish his field of corn. He is confident that his harvest is going to yield him huge profit just like it does every year. To his utmost excitement, rainfall did happen, but sooner it turned into a hailstorm, destroying his entire crop field. Means the crop of the farmer was totally destroyed by the hailstorm. The damage posed a threat to the family's survival, as their entire livelihood was dependent on the year's produce. Means the family of Lencho was totally survived on the production gained by the help of his field, means the corn field. Although disheartened, means after the destroy of the field, the Lencho being disheartened, the family had robust belief in the Almighty, means the God. So Lencho, despite having worked day and night at the field, knew how to write, and thus he decided to write a letter to God. Explaining in this letter, he is going to explain his situation and asking for some help from the deity, from the Almighty, from the God. Explaining his situation and asking for the help, he went to town to post his letter to God, and the letter being noticed by the postmaster at first amused him, but then the letter motivated the postmaster to do something for the farmer. So he contributes from his salary and collects some money from his colleagues and friends. To his dismay, he could only collect 70 pesos, which they wrapped in an envelope to make it seem like a reply from the Almighty, from the deity, from the God. On having found the letter, Lencho is not shocked, but instead he gets angry on finding the amount is less than what he had expected, or we can say that what the Lencho expected, not only, rather the requested amount. He again writes a letter to God conveying his disappointment and distrust in the employees of the post office, who he thought he had stolen the remaining amount, and his second letter requested to send the amount without the use of a post office, as the employees were not trustworthy for Lencho. Means in Lencho's opinion, the employees of the post office is not a matter of trust. So he decided to send the remaining amount means the amount 30 pesos, which we will discuss. 30 pesos will be sent directly to the Lencho. So thank you so much for joining me, and in my next video we will discuss the next topic. Till then, thank you so much joining for me.